Hello guys, welcome to our last series of fundamental analysis. So in last series we're going to discuss about when to buy or sell a fundamentally good stock. After selecting fundamental right stock, now we must understand when to buy that stock. So for example of fundamental analysis series, we have taken the example of Asian Paints. Okay, let's look at the chart and we decide when to buy this particular stock. To do that, first we must understand what is trend line. Trend lines are lines drawn on a stock chart that connects two or more price points. Since stock price tend to trend lines that connect the high or lows in the stock prices, history can help identify the correct trend and predict what the stock price might do in future. So first understand how to draw trend line. So here we go and click on this particular line trend. This is a trend line. So here we can choose as a daily time frame and we have to connect low to highs. So the logic of trend line is that so we have to connect at least two candles or wicks of the candle. So this is called as a wick. A small stick is called as a wick, and if we can connect that wick or as well as candles also. Okay, so as we connect more candles, so the stronger is the trend line. So here we have connected around, so first wick is connected over here and we have connected the second, third candle. So we have connected around 2 to 3 candles in this particular trend line. So once we draw this particular trend line, so whenever we have to wait, whenever the particular price comes near this particular trend line, that time we can buy this particular stock. So in our example, so whenever it is hitting this particular line, so it is going up. So the second time is that it come near to this particular trend line and it has gone up. So again in this particular time, so it has again like came near this particular trend and it again is going up. So in next time it has came near the trend line, it is trying to go up. Okay, so the next time whenever we are going to buy this particular share, so we have to wait to come near this particular trend line. So that is the best time to buy this particular share. How to buy or sell a particular share. So whenever we want to sell a particular share, so whenever it is going to break this particular trend line, say example, you bought this particular share somewhere around here and it has started moving up. Okay, so the when you need to sell is that whenever it is going to go like come near this particular trend line and if it is going to break this particular trend line, that time you can sell this particular stock.